Hello everyone. I'm going to show you this kind of decorating thing. Do you know what is this? It's a terracotta pot which came for kulfi. Okay. So what I thought, I have around 10 kulfi pots. So I thought I'll give this decoration and I'll make it for wall hanging, no, door hanging. Okay. So I have done with the complete black coat, black color coating I have given, black color paint completely, acrylic paint I have used it. So now I'm going to decorate with this pearls and kundans along with the pearl chain. Okay, it's also called as a ball chain. Okay, so I'm using the glue here. Glue here, you can use the Fevicryl glue. This is the pearl chain, and these are some kind of checkeries used to call as a pearl checkeries. Okay, pearl checkeries, these are the small ones and these are the bigger one. These two I'll use. Okay, and here I'm also going to use the meenas, generally used to call the kundans, meenas, the white color. Okay, these are the white colors which I'm going to use. So let me start with the glue. So what I'm doing, I'll go with the middle part here. I hope everybody are seeing. Okay, so now I'll go with this part, okay, center part. Before going to do that, what I'll do, I'll just try to measure this with this, like, like this I'll measure. Up to here I'll make two lines. Okay, now I do it. Exactly to the center point I'm giving. Okay, so that you can be able to see. I just zoomed out here. Exactly to the center point I'm giving the line which is already in that pot. Oops. Diwali is coming, right? So we may require to decorate our house or diyas, whatever we want. Before that, we need to decorate with the parts. If you are using the part decoration, then you must need. So here I'm doing this. Just extra glue here. So simple, right? After the taking of measurements also, it came very little bit of space. No. Yes. Now what I'll do, I'll keep another one. So before that, I'll try to make extra glue over here. Okay. It's giving blur. I'll do like this. No gap in between the two lines, okay? So here I have completed like this. So now what I'm doing, I'll take the bigger ones. Here I'm giving the gap 1, 2, the minimum gap in between that. Okay. And simply attach it. A complete pedal look will give. Extra glue, extra glue, extra glue, extra glue. Okay. So now what I'm doing, I'll take some of the small chakras here. So now I'll keep this in the middle part of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not required to count. Just simply make it in the middle of that part, upper side. Now glue is ready. Now just simply attach it. Only the part you must know how you can. Yeah, more might be you're asking. You can ask me about this glue, right? It's a fabric glue I generally use. For all decorative things, all the sticking things. Sorry. Excuse me. All the cutting things you can use this. All sticking, not stitching, sticking. I use fabric glue only. if you can come here. Okay, how beautiful it is. Seems like it is gone down. How beautiful it is. The same decoration we are doing, right? So now let me complete the down part also, because here also you can see this part, down part here also. The same way I'm doing it. I told you that I have the 8 parts, right? I'm sorry, I will not show you the 8 parts. I'll do it myself, but only one part I'll show you the complete decoration, so that it will be easy for you. I haven't used any water or medium directly. Acrylic paint has been given here to decorate. Okay. Because why I'm using specially this pearl color, it won't shade up, because sometimes if you use any, we have this kind of gold color checkeries also, if you can able to see. I'm just keeping here. See, are you able to see? These kind of gold color also we have, but what happens, some if we can't able to protect this, like if you can't able to give a proper protection, it will fed up the shades, like color will be fed up. So shade out, and it will not look good. Within 10 days it will fade up the color, so it will not good. So 10 days means by the Diwali it will completely get spoiled. All the hard work also will go. Yeah, you can use them in the clay works, like where we can use the varnish or something, some Mod Podge work, if you are using there, you can use those kind of antique or gold color checkeries, so that that time what happens, you are giving to the protection to the items, so the items will live long life, will give you the long life of that particular ornament or particular article. Okay. Please keep following Facebook page also. I requesting the people who are seeing. I'm giving the lives over there as I'm giving in this YouTube channel. So you can follow me and you can contact me if you need anything. Generally, most of the people are asking about phone boards here. I'm not selling because even I'm also not getting. I'm so sorry for that. I have tried lot more, but I couldn't able to find out. And also some people are asking me about RE embroidery books, but unfortunately those are also I'm not selling. I just have stopped the selling things because the wholesale market is not giving a proper reasonable prices, budgetable prices, I can say that. Because while if they have already increased the prices, so if we go for the wholesale market, we are getting the retail prices, frankly speaking. So that if we also do the same thing, if we come into that retail thing, then it's cost more. Like once the book was sold like 350 rupees or 450 rupees, now it became as 600, 500, like that it became. So I don't think so it's a good idea to sell. So that's why I have stopped it. That's my opinion. So I thought I'm not getting the profit, so as well as I'm not doing the proper thing to my customers. So I thought I just stopped it. So please don't ask me those things. Most of the people are asking me and messaging me, we need the books, we need the books. I'm so sorry, we are not selling. Okay, now what I'm doing, so here at this point at here I'm using the kundans with the help of toothpick. Okay, with the help of toothpick I'm using this. I'm just keeping a little bit of glue here. Okay, yeah, once I complete this now, I'll definitely show you how I have made the wall hanging. Definitely I'll show and I'll explain you. You can also make it very well because I have the terracotta clay, right? So with the using of the big jhumkas and all, I have a big plan to make it door hanging. Because you all know that I have recently made one parrots door hanger, which I have already given you in this videos. You can check my regular videos, not in the live video. You can check it in my regular videos. You can find out that photo also given over there in the thumbnail. You can find out. So like that, I'm going to use this because these are the pots, right? Little bit of weight will be there. So I need to make the whole bunch should be little bit of weight, which can easily hang this pot. Okay, so now I have completed the same whole thing. You can see here, same thing. Two are already ready. Okay, so now it's almost dry. Let me check out how it will come out. I'll show you that hanger also. Okay, so keep watching my videos I requesting, and also watch my page so that you will get some idea about the particular webinars or workshops. If anything happening there, free workshops are happening, or any paid workshops, whatever the work we are doing, I used to keep on posting on my page. So just keep on watching my Facebook page also, the same name, which the link has been given in the description box. Please check and follow that. Okay, so I'll come with the new idea, and I'll come with new unique designing part. Okay, so for decorating of the Diwali I'm planning so much, so I'll show you each and everything on the live. So I'm just leaving you guys. Please keep following. Do subscribe the people who are seeing first time my channel, and I'm requesting everyone. If you have any doubts, if you want to know any details about the raw materials, anything like about the RE embroidery or silk threads, terracotta jewelry, quilling crafts, and any kind of pot paintings, glass paintings, clay works, relief art, tanjore painting, whatever the things you want, you can ask me. Meenakari work, everything you can ask me. I'll give you the free information, and here I'm going to show you the recent work which I have done. Okay, you can see this is actually I have made with best out of the waste. I hope you everyone are seeing. I'll try to show you this. Let me clear all this. Oh. Are you able to see? So sorry. I'm I'm live now. This is not a recorded video, okay? This is the live. So you can able to see here, this is the best out of ways which I have made it. I hope everybody know that we are getting the cardboard for cake, right? The big cake we have cardboard. Okay, the round cardboard has came. So it is a little bit of thicker. So I don't, my heart is not happy to throw it out. So what I thought, okay, let me try with this decorative item. So I have made with this. I have given the color mixing part, and I also given the minas in different minas. I have used the skin colors, each and everything. It's all my own idea which I have given. Okay, so like this, it's a unique thing which we can make it ourselves. Okay, we can make it ourselves. So it's so much easy, you can do it. I can give you a guidance about this. So guys, what I'm asking you, please do subscribe my channel and also follow my Facebook page. We have the Insta also, the same name, Unique Model Arts. You can also follow there. Okay, so thank you so much guys. I'll come with new video. I have already recorded this video. I'll give you that recorded video also very soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I'm just leaving. Okay.